every day and have been for 2 decades.
They changed it.
Let me get my things that I lost.
Still alive. Remember, Chris Ghost Gollum. On the Raptor with calculus of infinite. I'm not did proof on set right. That's with fingers hold on. Knowledge there. All knowledge of all sight, place, and where. So God parent knowledge other all. With my innocence and the drip duh fuck ladder up. If there's no way to save someone who will take the rope, yes I'm up. With wall of then random lightning. Tumbling in knowledge with other 1, 1, 2 gap multiplicity dimensional calculus. Easy puddle of nothing to tie an organ or a sight and a person. Right? Put a will like fly to the light. Way, but you're stealing all value from me with every time a person does a wrong or crime against the state. Not against the worth of me that way. And I read extra fast. I'm coercive before someone else takes any stride. That's how science works. When you're in the blind, leading, not followed on alcohol. They hypothesized with Aaron seemed like other was had way. Suck-yard 5, not a simple pike of not can tell a good or bad. In words, because happiness is only true when shared. But I see a male and a female. 2 in clothes, and duh, that's months ago before a run. It's like mental interval. Like even the sound. Duh, bad. In a way that teaches disease theory on rap. But that's a means of pride puddle with reach like the sky. You have no right to hold out game. This doesn't hold form. It's equality. I'm not this. I'm not your. Death from me, even with magic, or steal my image. You've been stealing that. Infinitely, I'm proving it to the parents that are maybe truth those words keep.
Biological kid or his kid, you know.
You okay today?
No, it's like, you know, apparently a friend of mine, the one that just passed me, I can't be acknowledged anymore. It's like, you know, she has a kid and she has a boyfriend and her, being her friend and how long I've known her and like. I like fuck me like I'm not important no more. Like how everybody treats me, even someone, you know, like her being, you know, first it was like, oh, this and this. I like, you know.